Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my Marcel series. Today I pulled out the mini flat iron. Now this one is a 1/2 inch and it's by the brand Annie's or either Annie. And it's in like an orange and black packaging. If I can find a link for y'all, I will post it. This one was actually still in the package because I bought it like years ago and just never used it. And I was like, okay, since I got my little Marcel series going on, we gonna pull her out, okay? And again, I'm doing some spikes on my girl. Now, y'all don't talk about the way I hold my Marcels. I'm self-taught. I was using these before I even went to anybody's school or anything. So I didn't even realize that I was holding them wrong until well into my career, and it was too late because even when I tried to hold them the right way, it just doesn't feel right because I have been holding them wrong for so long. I'm also a person that is right-handed, but I use my left hand a lot. And so some things I do with my right hand just looks flicked. I can't explain it, but that's what it is. So don't need y'all in the comments like, oh, she's holding the Marcel's weird. Yes, I know. That's just what feels comfortable for me. I've watched many videos in school. I've tried doing it the right way, but this is the right way for me. So long as the end result is the same, then it shouldn't matter. So I love these flat irons actually much faster. I'm always a person that believes in working harder, not smarter. I have so many styles that I want to do for this Marcel series and just bring out like some stuff. I gotta find my Curlers flat irons. I can't find those, so I may have to be on the lookout and buy me another one of those if I can find it, because yeah, I'm on my way to something great. Now, will I be offering this as a service? Probably not. This is just a series to show some creativity and just show the girls, hey, we can use Marcel's, okay? And it's fun. It's fun sometimes. But the big stove and the heat and all of that stuff, I ain't gonna lie, it gets in the way. I'm not even curling at my station. My station is next to the sinks over there. I have the stove plugged in somewhere else because I just have like a lot of stuff on my station. In order to have the stove there and not melt my items, I just, use it at a different station. So it's not that convenient to use either because I have so many plug-in flat irons. And again, when we start doing like the curls and swirls, which everybody loves, the plug-ins just don't give the same effect. I'm sorry. So I know y'all say, the Marcel irons lasted longer, the curls lasted longer, but that's because we were wearing hard hair using hella spritz. Sometimes, what was that orange stuff? The wax, all of that stuff played a part in your style holding. Now we're into soft looks. And you're just not gonna, you can't have a greasy soft look. It's one or the other. So that's where we at. So I don't know. I have so many requests though from stylists wanting to book with me because they seen the Marcel videos, and I'm not even taking new clients right now. But I don't even want to take them because I don't want to give them like a false I don't know the word I'm looking for, but I don't want you to feel like this is what you're going to get, because this is just a series that I'm doing for social media, like a science experiment, so to speak. Facebook page, a lot of people, well, I ain't gonna say a lot, several people commented. Some with screenshots, some didn't have proof. They just was saying anything that they found is needle nose flat iron. Now, the one person that did post that he found it, he actually posted where he got it from. It said it had 3 left. By the time I went back on there again, it was sold out, because I was gonna, let y'all know. But somebody else said they seen it on Amazon, and I've searched Amazon high and low, and I don't see it. So I know, like I say, this video has went viral everywhere. Well, not this particular video, but my Marcel series has went viral pretty much everywhere that I've posted it. And so, it's a very sought out flat iron right now, or curler, whatever you want to call it. It is flat in the middle, round on the outside, so I consider it a flat iron. If you want one, just gotta keep looking, y'all. It's by Golden Supreme, and I call it a needle nose. Online they have it listed as pointy something, but you can reverse Google search. If you want it, you can find it if it's out there. Some people are charging over $100 for it that I found. I did find somebody had it for $35, but with the shipping, I think it ended up being like $60. But again, that's the one that was sold out. So I don't know, y'all. I know it's like a big question, but let's just keep this as a lesson. Don't throw stuff away. I'm so glad I didn't throw mine away. I actually have 2. I'm glad I didn't throw my irons away, and I never will. Certain stuff just doesn't. I have a crimper that I got from one of my old friends' grandma. Her grandma has passed away now. And when I used to do crimps, like the long crimps, everybody loved my crimps because the crimper was so unique in the design. And when I use it, you can tell that it's old by the handle. The handle is wooden. Like, it was old. It was an old style then. So now it's like very old. I'm sure that crimper has to be about 40 or 50 years old. And I will never get rid of it because it will always come back in style. I will always be able to go back and use it. So y'all, don't throw your things away, especially certain things like this, because somebody in my comments was like, oh my God, I feel so bad. I took all my Marcels to Goodwill. Girl, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Because Golden Supreme is not even around anymore. And I don't think Kazuri is either as a company. Yeah, you can still find them online, but, the company itself doesn't have a website or anything like that. So, y'all, these are collector's items. These new school stylists can't do this. They don't have the skill. So, this is a flex in a way, okay? So, if you able to flex. So this is the finished look on what we did with her today. Similar to the last look, but it's not the same. And like I say, I have more styles coming. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.